Can running improve your memory? Let's find out. What's going on, Louis Angel right here with the Mind Memory, and today we're going to talk about how to improve your memory through running and exercising. So in this book right here by Majid Fotuhi, he's an MD, he works at the Johns Hopkins Hospital, and he studies people with dementia, he studies people with Alzheimer's, and one of the biggest things that he does is that he studies memory, he studies the brain, and he studies memory loss and how to improve your memory. He talks a lot about some of the studies that show that people that exercise have a lot better of a memory than those that don't exercise and work out and things like that. For example, the New England Journal of Medicine published in March 2002. Also, Richard Camiccioli, MD from the University of Alberta, did some other tests as well with MRIs, and even the Canadian Study of Health and Aging by Kenneth Rockwood, MD. So there are a lot of studies out there, and if you pick up the book, you'll read through all those. But one of the things that I really want to talk to you about is this section right here on how does physical activity actually better the memory or improve your memory. Well, let me go ahead and just read you the paragraph that explains just that answer right now. In an article in the June 2002 issue of Trans Neuroscience, a group of scientists from the University of California reported the possible link between exercise and better memory. They focused their attention on a protein called brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF. This natural protein improves neuronal health and survival. It makes neurons more resistant to injury caused by a stroke and helps with synthesis of new synapses. So what these scientists did from the University of California is that they took mice and they measured the levels of BDNF, which is that brain-derived neurotrophic factor, and they measured it before they exercised, and even those that actually had a wheel and were exercising, and they saw that the ones that actually exercised had an increased level of BDNF. You know what that means? Well, those that had the higher levels of BDNF had actually an improved memory. They did some little memory tests with the mice, and they actually saw an improvement in their memory. So in other words, listen, just go out there, exercise, because there is a direct correlation between those people that exercise, those that don't, and those that have an improved memory and those that don't have an improved memory or have a bad memory and end up getting Alzheimer's, dementia, that kind of thing, right? Now, how much exercise is enough exercise for people so that you can see an improved memory? Well, I remember seeing Dr. Fotuhi up on stage at the USA Memory Competition, and he talks about that there's a direct correlation between those that exercise just a lot more and the size of the hippocampus, which is linked up to creating new memories. And he actually showed people that just went out for a brisk walk, and those people also had an enlarged hippocampus, so the hippocampus actually grew. And those people that say went out for a nice little 1 mile run, their hippocampus grew even more. So in other words, you will have a better memory if you just go out for a brisk walk. But if you also go out for, say, you know, a nice little a jog or a run, you'll see much greater improvements in your memory. So it's up to you. You know, you can go out for a little brisk walk, or you go out for a nice run. Pretty much it's just like self-medication right there, right? What do you want? Do you want to see small levels of improvement in your memory or bigger levels of improvement in your memory? So it's pretty much up to you, and I just recommend just go out. You know, go outside, go out for a little walk, go out for a nice jog, go out for a run, or just exercise, change it up. And that's pretty much it, man. The moral of this is just go out, run, exercise, and you'll have an improved memory, just like Majid says. All right, so I just finished my 1 mile run. About to go for another 1 mile run right now. And I want you to go out there and do the same thing, man. If it's not a run, go for a jog, or even bring it down to a walk. Just go out and exercise so you can improve your memory. I put a lot of great, memory training videos out there, ways to improve your memory, different foods to eat, so on and so forth. Go subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it with your friends, and go to amind.com, more great mind empowerment videos. See you on the next one. Peace out. Let's go. Let's go for a run. Come on. Come on.